Here's how to install TEQ Offroad MOLLE panels for your Gen 1 Toyota Tacoma. We have step-by-step directions on our website too, so you can print those out after you watch the video. The tools and parts you need are listed in the description below. So this is what we're going to install today, some nice aluminum door panels that I got from TEQ Offroad. They come with everything you need to install them, some self-tapping screws, some nuts and bolts and spacers. It's a nicely made product. I'm pretty happy with it. All right, here's the tools you'll need to complete the job. Screw gun, screwdriver, a couple of drill bits, 3 30-seconds and 5 30-seconds, something pointy, 10mm wrench, and maybe another screw gun, and some tape. All right, first you're going to want to hold the panel up to the door and then make some marks on the plastic with something pointy. I'm using a screw here just to make some marks in the door that you're going to drill out a little bit later on. You're going to mark 4 corners where the 4 screws or bolts are going to go into the panel. Next, get your 3 30-second drill bit, and you're going to drill out these 2 holes. Be careful. TEQ Offroad says not to do this, but just check, make sure you're not drilling into your speaker enclosure. I found that having these little holes made it easier to get the self-tapping screws in. Now install your self-tapping screw, put your spacer over the top, and I used a screw gun here just to lightly get it started, very loose. Get the next screw in on the bottom, same self-tapping screw with the spacer, don't forget the spacer, and then slowly start that screw. Don't go in all the way, just get it started so it's holding the bracket up. All right, now get your 5 30-seconds inch drill bit, and you're going to make holes on the outer side of the bracket for the bolts and the nuts that are going to go through that. These are not self-tapping screws. You're going to have to get in on the back side of the panel in the pocket there and tighten those up. We'll see that a little bit later. First, I just get them started by using a screwdriver and getting those in. Oh, and don't forget the spacer. You got to put the spacer in there. Now I'm going to tighten down the self-tapping screws in the front. Don't go crazy. You're tightening into plastic. Just make them snug and then give it an extra quarter turn. The next part's a little tricky. We got to get these nuts onto these bolts. I'll show you how I did it. Using a 10mm wrench and a piece of tape, I just stuck the nut on there so I could kind of tuck it back into the pocket. The tape just holds the nut into place while you get it over the bolt. Once you get it on top of there, you can tighten it down. The one on the top's easier to reach. You can just use your fingers to hold that into place while you tighten that one up. So this is what it looks like when they just get started. Now you take your wrench again, stick it in there, and tighten them down nice and snug. Don't go crazy. And that's it. Really easy to do. Just repeat the same process on the other side and you're all set. And then you can put all kinds of tactical stuff on your truck and impress your friends. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, check out thetacomagui.com.